Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Body Make and Health Management. If you're looking to pack on muscle without emptying your wallet, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down how to bulk on a budget, what to eat, how to make smart choices, and the best foods to fuel your gains without overspending. Let's jump right in. Chapter 1. Carbs are your best friend. When you're bulking, you need a calorie surplus, and carbs are the easiest and cheapest way to get there. Think rice, pasta, potatoes, whole grain bread. A kilo of rice? That's over 3,000 calories, and it usually costs less than a fancy coffee. Pasta, potatoes, even whole grain bread, these fill you up and fuel your workouts without busting your budget. Chapter 2. Cheap protein powerhouses. Chapter 1. Cheap protein powerhouses. You don't need steak or fancy protein powders to hit your protein targets. Go for eggs, chicken thighs, canned tuna, lentils, beans, and even milk or powdered milk. For example, a dozen eggs is packed with protein and way cheaper than most meats. Or try mixing rice and lentils. Super affordable and gives you a complete protein profile. Chapter 3. Healthy fats for calories. Chapter 2. Healthy fats for calories. Fats are calorie-dense and budget-friendly. Peanut butter, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and even avocados if they're in season. I like tossing a big spoonful of peanut butter into my morning oats or shakes. That's an easy way to up your calories without spending extra. Chapter 4. Budget-friendly muscle meals. Let's make this practical. Chapter 3. Budget-friendly muscle meals. Let's make this practical. Rice, eggs, frozen veggies, and a splash of soy sauce. Cheap, balanced, and fast. Tuna pasta with olive oil and garlic, protein and carbs on a budget. Oats with milk, banana, and peanut butter, perfect for breakfast or a snack. Or try a chicken wrap with cabbage and spicy yogurt. Batch cook 2 or 3 meals at once to save both time and money. Chapter 5. Supplements. Do you need them? Chapter 4. Supplements. Do you need them? If you're on a tight budget, real food comes first. But if you want to add one supplement, go with whey protein. It's convenient and cost-effective per gram of protein. Skip the flashy stuff. No need for fat burners or pre-workouts when you're watching your spending. Chapter 6. Smart shopping tips. Here's how to stretch your cash. Chapter 5. Smart shopping tips. Here's how to stretch your cash. Buy in bulk. Rice, oats, beans will last ages. Use frozen veggies. Same nutrients, lower cost, and no waste. Always compare price per 100 grams, not just the sticker price. Plan your meals before hitting the store, and stick to whole foods over packaged snacks. Chapter 7. Track, adjust, and be consistent. Use free apps to log your meals and make sure you're eating enough. If your weight stalls, add more food. Don't rely on junk food. A clean bulk means better quality gains and less fat. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end. I'll see you in the next video.